What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shu, back at it again with another video. We are finally going to unleash the beast today. We're going to be adding a downpipe and a test pipe, completing the whole exhaust on the car. But before we do that, I wanted to show you guys how the exhaust sounds as it is, just a catback exhaust. It is a Gretty TIC or something like that. It's not that loud, but it has a pretty good deep tone. So I'm gonna do a few reps for you guys so you guys can hear what the car sounds like, and then we'll do a comparison to what it sounds like after we throw on the mods. So let's go ahead and do this. So hopefully those were some good clips. I don't want to disturb the peace or piss off the people around me. This is what I use to get the cars up on the jacks. I should be able to get under the car, no problem. First, gotta crack this G Fuel. So good. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already saw this. I already showed you guys what it is, but for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, which is fine, whatever, the first time you guys are going to see this, so this is pretty much a resignated test pipe from the UK. Can no longer find them here in the US, or at least in California. Any companies will not sell you a test pipe. So went ahead and ordered this from the UK. M2 Motorsports muffler. If you guys need anything, make sure to hit them up. They can ship it to you, no problem. And the cool thing is that they provide you with some quality gaskets as well for both sides. So that way you don't have to go out and buy some, and just ready to install it. I'm gonna start off by spraying some WD-40 on this thing, because I know these bolts. Guys, you're not gonna believe it. I freaking broke. No. I broke the freaking bolt. God damn it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Now I don't know how to even get that thing out. I mean, I can install the new downpipe, but it's going to be held by one bolt. Do I even want to do that? That's some fucking bullshit right there. Well, got some bad news. It's not what I wanted this to be. The freaking bolt broke off. Now I can't do this. So I can either install this and have it hanging with one bolt, or just get that thing fixed, come back and try it again. The good thing is I got the package for the GTR. Okay, well, I at least can try to make a video for you guys and see if we can finally get the GTR to run. I went ahead and bought the fuel pump relay overnight parts from Japan. I'm just kidding. Fuel pump relay. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put this on. Oh shit. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put this on and see if I can get the car to run without blowing the fuse. So comparison to the old one, pretty much the same one, just a new one. I swear guys, the freaking universe is testing me. I wasn't gonna say I was having a bad New Year's, but I'm thinking of having a bad New Year. So much has happened, just negative stuff. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Oh, did it not pop? I didn't hear it pop. I didn't hear it pop. Hold on. I don't even want to turn on the car yet. I want to take off this fuse. Oh shit, look at that. It's not popped. It's not popped. Fuck yeah. Shit didn't pop. It didn't pop. I think we fixed it. You guys ready? Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Fuck yeah. It worked. It fucking worked. It was the fuel pump relay this whole time. The car's on, guys. The car is on. Hell yeah. Oh, all right. Okay, so things are getting better. I fixed it. This thing's broken. Fixed this one. That one still runs, but I'm risking something happening if the wheel bearing is bad. But at least we got one down. I'm gonna take this to the shop. I can't take off that bolt myself. But we got the GTR running. Hell yeah. Guys, I can't believe we finally fixed the GTR. It was this little relay. Haven't driven it in a while. It's been like 2 weeks.
It's a great car.
What's up?
Qué bonito carro.
Oh, gracias. So I just came out of the Mitsubishi dealership in Escondido, which is kind of weird because the dealership is right over there and there's Volkswagen over here, yet the office is over here and not over here. So I don't know what the hell is going on. Anyways, I'm gonna have to probably order this online. I went in there trying to get the part and I told them what car it was for and they need a VIN number. They want to know if the car's here. I was like, I don't have the car here. I don't have the VIN number. Why can't they just sell me what I'm looking for? Why do they need the car? Like, don't all Evos have the same part? It's one thing after another, guys, seriously. So I'm just gonna order everything online now. I don't even have to go anywhere for it. I might even be able to freaking pop it out myself. But on another note, GTR is fixed. So glad. Maybe I should wrap my car's freaking bubblegum pink. Okay guys, so unfortunately we could not do the downpipe and full exhaust on the Evo, but we got the GTR running now. So now I'm just waiting. Already ordered 2 of these bolts because who knows, the other one might break soon. And just waiting for this to come in so we can go ahead and tackle this out. So I don't know how I'm gonna take it out. So I'm assuming the top of this is not threaded. just the bottom part. So hopefully I can like turn this around, or you know, use something to push the bolt up from the housing, and then hopefully it just pops out. Yeah, not too excited for that, but if I can do that myself instead of taking it to a shop and having me charge like $150 to do something like that, I'll do it myself. So, but for now, Shadow is going to be down. I don't want to risk running the car and having that last bolt break as well and have my full exhaust just drag all over the street. But at least this thing's fixed. And about the S2K, that'll be for another day. She starts up, guys. Freaking relay. It was the relay, because a lot of you were kind of hinting that it might have been the fuel pump, but I've recently replaced the fuel pump. Could have been the wiring, but luckily it was the relay. So that thing was like 28 bucks plus shipping. Not bad. Let's feed the other fish. You want to feed Mr. Fish? Yeah? Okay, okay. Let's feed Mr. Fish. This is Lily on Shoes Garage. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.